Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok shadow ban. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your TikTok application, and then you need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. So here you need to mention to the TikTok team that there is an issue with my account and my account is not getting a good engagement, and then the TikTok team will contact with you and help you resolve your issue. You simply need to click on that. So here you can see click on can't you can select here and any option, or you can select direct message. So whatever issue you can talk to the TikTok team. They will help you getting your account back with that issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.